Hormone for a lot of female and a very, very popular problem. Hormone problem not over one day. At the end, is your immune system weak. When talking hormone, you can't talk just one thing. You have to see the body, all the picture system. Make organ function better and make a balance, 5 element balance into heart, lung, liver, kidney, spleen. And find that through the process, they find the balance self. Your hormone will be automatically better. That's what we're talking about organ service. When you come to organ function good, that's why you look younger, look fresh, look ground, and look happy. Wasting a lot of people because busy. They want a quick, give something by, put it in tablets through mouth, that's it fixed. No. This doesn't fix the one. You have to throw yourself, do the job. With the doctor working together, okay, medicine. You must be do your own job. Otherwise, if you get better, just temporary. You will come back. That's mean hormone problem. You need to learn how to look after yourself. Look after the body. Everything need to set a right balance. Everything don't take it too much serious. And understand life. Tao's talking about 天人合一. 天 is the sky, heaven. 人 is human. You have to learn sky, heaven, with human, with the earth, where you live, being married to one. Like smooth together, that's the job finished. I will teach you a little bit simple movement and how you make your hormone better. You can be teaching you make your movement, make it joyful, and make your organ move, and get this process. Hormone need a little time process. It's not fast. Any faster way, only temporary. It can't stay with you. I'm talking here through yourself, do the things, can keep this result. Minimum, keep setting good time. You more practice, your result more better, and keep permanent result. Thank you.